Brothers and sisters, if there is a fail amr, you do not have to take permission to use heavy duty noon. You can use it. It means it's optional. Here is the fail amr. You want to use heavy duty noon like ukhruj, and you want to say ukhruj jannah, it's optional. You can use it. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Fine. In fi'l amr, there are no conditions. You can use it. But in the mudari'a, there are conditions. What are those conditions? You cannot use in every mudari'a. You will only use in mudari'a if it denotes talab. We are very familiar with talab. Huh? What is it that denotes talab? Lamu amar, which is amar. What else? La nahiya. What else? Istifham. So when you have these elements in mudari'a, then you have a choice. But if you do not have these elements of talab, then you cannot use it. Are you with me? In amar, you can use it. But in proper mudari'a form, it must denote talab, and then only you can use it. So most likely you will find in the Quran that it is used with la and nahiya. La and nahiya. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Okay. Here are examples. La taqulanna. What kind of a la is this? La nahiya. Remove the noon sakila. What will be the verb? La taqul. Qul. With sukun. La taqul. Now you have a choice. You want to emphasize it? You can say la taqulanna. Got the idea? You can use the noon sakila. La taqulanna wa anta shab'an. Never eat. Brothers and sisters, it's not don't eat, but never eat when you are full up. Fine, brother and sister. Hal has come in the front. Okay? Brother and sister, hal denotes talab. Okay? So what is it? Hal tusafiranna wa anta maridun. Are you traveling when you are so sick? But you see, in the translation, it is not the same thing as in Arabic. So you cannot translate Quran, brother. The translation will not justify the eloquence, the beauty, and the magic of the Quran. It will miss out, no matter how careful the person is in translating. Okay. Hal tusafiranna wa anta maridun. So here also it is talab. Got the idea? And you have an option to use it. Highlight this. Next line, brothers and sisters. If the speaker feels the need for emphasis, he may use it. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Now we come to the most beautiful situation. And what is that, brothers and sisters? Compulsory. It becomes compulsory. You got to use it. You got to use noon sakila. Okay. It is compulsory in mudariya if it is, what is it? Jawabu qasam. It becomes compulsory. Wallahi, what is wallahi? Qasam. Now you got to use it. What is it? La ahfazanna al-Qur'an al-Kareema. By Allah, I will memorize the Quran. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Still, that translation is not the same thing. Wallahi, la. I'm saying it slowly, la, because la has a meaning also. La أحفظن القرآن الكريم. By Allah, I will memorize the Quran. Here, the mudari' ahfazu happens to be Jawab al-Qasam, as it is preceded by Qasam, Wallahi. Note, highlight this, brothers and sisters. Note that this verb has not only the noon suffix to it, but it also has a lam. Lam prefix to it. And what is this lam called? Lam talakkil kasam. What is this talakki? What is the verb? Talaka. Do you remember? Do you remember the verse from the Quran? Talakka Adama bir Rabbihi kalimat. You see, to receive. Okay. Talakka. What kind of a verb is this? I'm fine. What is mudariya? Yatalakka. Okay. What is the amar? Let me write it down. So I can refresh your memory. Brothers and sisters. Talakka. And what is the next one? Yatalakka. And what will be the amar? Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Let's refresh our conjugation. Let's conjugate. Let's do Madi. Talakka, talakkaya, talakkau, talakkat, talakkata, and then talakkaina. Fine, brother. And after that you are on 407. Ta tumatum, ti tumatunna, tuna. Fine. Yatalakka. Let's do mudariya. Yatalakka, yatalakkayani, yatalakkauna. And then tatalakka, tatalakkayani. And then yatalakkaina. Are you with me? Yatalakkaina. Okay. That is enough. Insha'Allah, you can do the rest. And then talakka. Fi'lu amrin. Mabniun ala hadfi harfi illa. Fine. Father, let's make a mastar. Sister Hafza is swearing. No, I'm not going in detail to explain you. But you know it. It was actually talakkuyun, then it became talakkiyun, and then it became talakkin. Got the idea? Mankus. So, when you say talakkin, the ya has been dropped. Okay. Now, when it becomes mudaf, what happens? When that mankus noun becomes mudaf, then the ya comes out. Are you with me? Then the ya comes out. So what is the now lamu? Why did the ya come out? Because it became mudaf. Lamu talakkil kasami. Lam of receiving of oath. Lam of receiving of oath. Mudaf, mudaf ilayhi, wa huwa mudaf, and finally mudaf ilayhi. Got the idea, brothers? So what is this lam called? What is this lam called? Lamu talakki kasam. Lam of receiving the qasam.